Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target, and it's going to be an easy one. So let's start. First of all, I'll just change this to A, and we don't even need this one. A, and I'll give it position fixed. So first of all, as always, we'll give the background, which is going to be this color. Let's paste it. Now we'll make the body. And first of all, I'll again give the color because it would be easier to differentiate. Now we have to give it some size. So width, I think 100. I know it would be less or more than this, but yeah, 150 would be correct, but still I'll just try once to see. Okay, 100 was too small according to me. So margin 100. I know it's more than we need, so 80. It would be 75. Yeah, and here it would be 10, 20, 25. Yeah. Now what I'll do is I'll use this div, which is the A, to create these lines. Like I'll make one, and then obviously we can use the box shadow. So first of all, the background color will be removed. Then we'll have to adjust the size. As a rough estimate, I think the width would be 30 pixels. So I'll give 30, and we can give any value for height. I'll give 250. Okay, so you can see it as a strip here. Now obviously we have to rotate it. So rotate, and the rotation would be obviously of 45 degree. Right now we only have to place it where we need it to be. So I'll give a rough value for top, which would be, I think, I'll give 100. No, 100 is too much. Maybe 50. Almost there. Maybe 30, 20, 25. We can change the left value to get it at the proper place. So left would be, I think, let's try 100. Yeah, 100 is correct. Maybe no, 99. Still no. Okay, it's perfect there. Now we need to use box shadow. First I'll give color, because it's better to give color property once than giving it in the box shadow again and again. So box shadow, and I'll begin with 64Q and 64Q. We are quite accurately there. I think this would be 0. No, we have to give some value to it. Let's give 10, 20. It's going downwards and we wanted to go upwards, so I'll just put a minus there. So instead of 20, 30, 40, 50. And there is a little difference, maybe, yeah. 63 looks quite correct. So this is the first value. Now the second value, I'll just double it straight away, so it would be 126Q, and I think we can put 0Q now. Almost there, a little bit difference, maybe 125, no, 127, yeah, So if we remove the difference, we can see it is almost the same. Let's submit it. As you can see, it's a 100% match. Now let's increase the score as much as we can. So as you can see, today we mostly made it out of approximations themselves instead of getting a proper value straight away. So it's better to always use approximations first, because it can get you to a perfect result sometimes, and sometimes at least near to a perfect result in a faster way. Okay, so let's submit it now. So we got 661.18. Let me see, is there something we can do extra here? Okay, so doesn't seem to be. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.